Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I want to share with you a solution for a problem you may face first time if you're just learning Python and you're using Windows, and when you install it and you go to your terminal, it's not running. So if I open my terminal and I write Python 3, because I'm using now the latest version, which is 3 version, hit enter, I'm getting this error which says Python was not found, run without arguments to install from the Microsoft Store, or disable shortcuts from settings, manage app execution aliases. Even though really I download the Python, I install it on my machine, I follow the install and everything, and I use the default installation. So how we can fix that? So the first step is we can go and search for our Python and then right click on it. Then open file location. When that is open, then right click on the Python, whatever version latest you have, but this one you have to click here. So Python 2.12, that's the one I'm using at the moment. Right click and go open the file location. So we will copy the whole thing, the path here. Then I will go and search for my system variables. You can write it right here, but because I searched recently for it, it is in my recent. So I'll just click that. Then when that is open, you go to the advanced tab on top right here, click it. Then you go down and click this environment variables button. Then we go to systems variables and you can search for path. Then click edit. Then we want to add this new path here. I'll click new and I'll paste it right there. Then I'll go back to my file or folder. Then I'll go and open the scripts folder. Then copy again this path as well. So Control C or right click and copy. Then I go back to my config. Same thing, go back to the path, edit, new, and add the new path right there. Okay, okay, and okay. Okay, so this is good. Now let's open our terminal again. And I'll run it as administrator this time. And let's try now our command. So Python dash dash version. And there we go. So now our Python command is working. I can check also the pip version too. And also that one is working as well. So I hope this will help you guys and help you fix your issue.